Label contiguous groups of true elements within a Panda series. I have a Panda series of Boolean values, and I would like to label contiguous groups of true values. How is it possible to do this? Is it possible to do this in a vectorist manner? Any help would be hugely appreciated. Data. Desired.
Here's an unlikely but simple and working solution. Test it as
with CumSum.
You can use CumSum and Group B plus and Group to mark groups.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.